I really like to funnel everything through the company page to, keep things official, and also because it is an actual company I own. It's a registered company here in the U.S. So if you would like to connect with me on LinkedIn, please go ahead and connect with me there. Data Science with Dennis, or DS with Dennis. Would love to make that connection with you on my company page. So thank you for that, George. Asante Theophilus. Good to see you, my friend. I know you're a big supporter of my content on X, so good to see you here. Please, I need a mentor. I'm a data scientist beginner. Thank you. So, Asante, I get a lot of questions like this because there are a lot of people that are interested in data science. And I would tell you that I have a very long video on my YouTube. It's a data science roadmap for students. I'll send you the link because I know that we follow each other on X. But it's my guide that I give to students of how I would study data science now. And I incorporate some of the things that I did when I studied data science, which was many years ago, but a lot of them are still valid today. And in that video, I even issue a coding challenge to kind of help move things along, as far as like tangible skills that you can do. So please watch that video. Please take the time to really, follow all of the steps in there, because I think it's very beneficial for most students, or even if you just graduated, like, the past couple of years, and maybe you're in an analytics role and you want to go to data science, or maybe you started off in doing like strictly like computer science, like, software development stuff, and it's not for you. You want to also make a move. It's valid for all of those scenarios. So please go ahead and look at that video. And in the video, I promise that I will help people who come back to me with their results for the coding challenge, right? Because I want to see you guys take a couple steps on your own too, right? So please go ahead and do that. It's on my YouTube, the Data Science Roadmap for Students. I think you'll find it beneficial. Okay, going back down, Satya Srujan says, how many months or years does it approximately take to become a data scientist? That's a good question. It's a common question, and it's very difficult to answer. There's two sides to that answer. One is nobody could tell you that without knowing your level, your current level, right? Like, what's your current experience now? Like, what are you doing now? So are you coming in from an analytics background, a coding background, no background? All of those are valid answers, but unless you say that, then there's really no way to tell, right?